way, so cool. I'm gonna be a mafia boss? Well, if I'm gonna be a mafia boss, I better start dressing the part.
Someone stole my future pill. Now I'm gonna have no future. Hey, look, it's the... Since when are you going to be a mafia boss? I'm scared.
Now that I'm gonna be a mafia boss, no one will mess with me.
Sorry.
Hey, watch where you're going.
Please don't hurt me. Bree, how is it possible that your future career changed? You only get one pill.
Don't know, and I don't care.
Can't believe it. Someone stole my future pill and now I don't get a future. I'm gonna be jobless. I know who stole your future career pill. It was Brianna. Her future career all of a sudden just changed. But this is your future pill.
Future pill?
Yeah, it tells you what your future career will be.
Gold digger? But that's not even a career. I need a new pill.
Can't. Everyone only gets one. Hey, did you take your future career pill? No way, you got gold digger?
Shh! We don't need to draw attention to it.
Everyone look, Brianna's future career is a gold digger. Stay away from her, boys. Alright, everyone, you can partner up for these math worksheets.
Hey, Derek, can you help me? I don't understand anything.
No, don't talk to me. You just want to take my money.
What money?
Did you take your future pill yet? No, I haven't taken it yet. I have it right here. I'll take it when we get back from the assembly. Good idea. Let's go. Come to find the princess with infinite words.
Yes, that's me. I'm the princess.
But Brianna, your words are...
The prince is here.
So you must be the princess.
Yes, that's me. Let's go to the palace. I'm tired of school.
Wait, first I must give you your crown. It's great to finally meet my sister.
We're related?
Yes, if you are the princess, then I'm your brother. Tomorrow is the royal ball. There'll be lots of eligible bachelors for you to choose from. Here, this is the gown we picked out for you to wear tomorrow. Princess, fix your posture.
My skirt is riding up my ass.
Princess, would you like to dance?
Yes, of course I would. Let's dance.
Wait, everyone stop this ball. She's not the princess. I am.
I can finally speak. Good morning, Mom. You look beautiful today.
Honey, since when do you have words?
I'll tell you about it later. I'm running late for school. Emily! Hey, how are you?
Hi, you can talk?
I can. Steven, my man.
Since when can you speak? Bestie, since when did you get lots of words? Hurry, tell me, there's nobody around.
The system offered me to steal Emma's words.
Brianna, you can't do that. That's illegal.
No, but you wouldn't believe it. She had infinite words.
Infinite words? Brianna, you don't know? They've been looking for the person with infinite words everywhere. They say that she's the long-lost princess. Got you a lollipop!
Whoa, it's huge!
And I have one more birthday present for you. A safety watch.
A watch? But I'm 6.
It's for your protection. Daddy has a very dangerous job.
How do I use this safety watch?
When the time is right, you'll know. That's a silly-looking watch.
I know. My dad gave it to me on my birthday when I was 6. He said I have to wear it because it's for my protection.
How is a watch supposed to protect you?
Nothing.
You scared me. I've located the girl. Over. You're gonna have to come with me, miss.
No, I'm good.
Let's go. You're not getting a choice.
No, help! Help! Stranger danger! Stranger danger!
Is everything okay, miss? How's my favorite sister?
I'm your only sister. What do you want?
I need a favor. I just need to use one of your wishes for...
No. Whatever it is, no. You shouldn't have wasted all your wishes.
If you don't give me one of your wishes, I'm going to tell everyone that you got extra wishes.
You wouldn't.
Watch me. Hey, Bree, I heard you got lots of wishes. Could I just use one?
No, and how do you know that? Oh, no. I can't believe it. You told everyone that I have more wishes than everyone else. How dare you?
Oops. Hey, Brianna, so about your wishes.
No.
Hey, Bree, that sweater is so cute. Could I just get your help with...
No. Can everyone just stop bothering me? It's my wishes.
You're selfish. I know, right? She's a spoiled brat.
Okay, fine. I wish everyone in the world gets more wishes. What the?
Yo, I had one wish left and it's gone. My wishes! Is everything okay? What's wrong?
Nothing. I'll see you later, okay?
Love you.
Bestie, I really need to talk to you about something. You see, my boyfriend. No way. Bestie, you've had your first kiss?
I already told you, I had my first kiss a long time ago. I've kissed tons of guys.
Why do you keep lying to me?
Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Isn't it? Hey, do you know where Brianna is? She's been avoiding me all day. No clue.
Bestie, could you be honest with me for once? Did you kiss my boyfriend? Because I saw that your kiss count went up and his kiss count went up.
First of all, how do you know our kiss counts? And no, I didn't kiss your boyfriend. I don't even like men. That's why I've been lying, saying I've kissed a bunch of guys. I was nervous about coming out, and I didn't want to tell you this way.
So sorry. I just wanted to know who my boyfriend cheated on me with.
It's your puzzle piece. No, you're not supposed to eat it.
Then what am I supposed to do with it?
Your soulmate has the missing piece. Your puzzle piece will only connect with your soulmate.
Oh.
Let's see if our pieces connect.
Okay.
No match. Let's try ours. It's a match. We're soulmates.
No fail. Hey, let's try our puzzle piece. No match. Hey, wait. Let's try our puzzle piece. No match.
You need to relax. You're still young, and it's highly unlikely your soulmate's in this school or even this city.
I know. I guess you're right. I just really want to meet my soulmate. I can't wait for the day I find my missing puzzle piece.
Whoops, I am so sorry.
No. Where'd my puzzle piece go? Why are you crying?
I just found out that my boyfriend cheated on me.
Here, you could use some love.
Why are you such a weirdo? Huh? Answer me. Just leave me alone. I hate everyone.
Hey, are you okay?
Please just go.
Here, you could really use some love.
Thank you. No one's ever given me love before. I love you, babe.
I love you so much. I'm going to give you all of my love.
Hey, I'm really sorry, but we need to break up. I like someone else.
But I gave you all my love.
I'm running low on love. Could you lend me some?
I can't. I have none left to give. Actually, could anyone lend me some love?
Sorry, I'm already running low. I can't. I need it.
So that's it. You're all just gonna take my love and leave. Switch lives with the bully or the popular girl? Wow, I want to be the popular girl. Wow, I look so different.
Honey, hurry up. You're going to be late for school.
Is that chocolate?
Put that back right now. Do you know how many calories are in that?
So?
You need to watch your figure. I'm just trying to keep you in shape. You know I'm only doing this because I love you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. What are you wearing?
What's wrong with it?
You're wearing a sweater to school? You know we need to keep up our appearances. Hey, babe.
Babe?
That's your boyfriend?
My boyfriend.
Chad?
Chad.
Are you wearing less makeup today? You look better yesterday.
Excuse me? Being popular is not how I thought it would be.
Hey, what are you doing in my body?
How am I still alive?
I can't believe you killed her. I didn't know. Her lives are written on her head.
Guys, chill. I'm still alive. I'm literally right here.
It's almost like she's still here.
I am! Mom, you are not going to believe this. The craziest thing just happened.
Emily, have you heard from your sister? She's not answering any of my calls. No.
Mom, I'm right here. Mom? Mom! Oh no. I must be dead. I'm a ghost! I guess I'm just going to have to live the rest of my life as a ghost. Wait a minute. Maybe I can do cool ghost things like walk through walls or people. I'm gonna try it.
Oh! Watch where you're going.
I am so sorry.
Weirdo.
Wait, you can see me? Don't go get! How many lives did I get?
You only got one.
Just one? What am I supposed to do with only one life?
Hey, I'm going skydiving later. Wanna come? Sure. Hey, Brianna, are you coming? She can't. She only has one life. She can't take any risks. I used one of my lives yesterday. It was so crazy. I jumped from a 10-story building. Wow. Hey, Brianna, how did you use your lives?
I haven't. I've only ever had one life.
So, I was thinking of going bungee jumping later. Who's coming?
I am.
But Brianna, you only have one life.
I know, but I'm tired of not taking risks because I only have one life. We'll be attached to a rope. It's safe, right? It's pretty high.
Hey guys, I was thinking maybe we jump without the rope.
No, I can't.
You first. Dude, you killed her. She only had one life.